Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to another video. As you saw in the intro today, and probably in the title, we're building some shelves today. Or at least, we built some shelves already. So we went ahead and we went to Home Depot and we bought some wood and these like really big boards. They're all 8 foot long, but we cut them down to like whatever size we needed. And we built ourselves some new shelves. We had this idea working out of the basement. We were like, hey, we have this old shelf, we could use this to like put some hydroponic stuff on it and everything down in the basement. And then we were like, we also just really want some more shelves in the pantry room, and we kind of just want to be able to have more stuff, not have more stuff, but have better organization and everything. So we went ahead and we built ourselves some new shelves. So I went ahead and recorded a little video explaining how we did it. It's really short and kind of just brief, but here it is. So here's a quick rundown of what we did. We first started off by screwing the wood supports into the wall. Some of them were screwed into studs, some of them were screwed into anchors. And then we just took this nice little white shelf here and we ended up just sitting it on top. The white shelf is actually not screwed into the wood shelf. It's just resting on there. But all this other one is screwed into the wall and all that stuff. So we have about 6 shelves and it took us about 2 days to do it, so super easy, and I think it looks super nice. They look pretty modern, and I think they're gonna help us keep a way better organization of all of our, kitchen utilities and stuff like that. So if you guys do like them, make sure to leave a comment down below. And we ended up actually ending the day with some Dairy Queens. Here's a little shot of that. Chocolate chip cookie dough is the best. I love it. Get the chocolate and cookie dough. Ooh, it's amazing. I love Dairy Queen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next ones. I'll see you guys next time.